Changing your login password on a Mint Mobile router is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your network remains secure. Step 1. Connect to your router. Use a device such as a computer or smartphone to connect to your Mint Mobile router's Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Access the router's admin page. Open a web browser and enter the router's IP address in the address bar. This is usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Press enter to access the login page. Step 3. Log into your router. Enter your current username and password to log in. If you haven't changed these, the default credentials can typically be found on the router or in the user manual. Step 4. Navigate to the password settings. Once logged in, look for a section labeled Wireless, Security, or Administration. Find the option for changing your login password. Step 5. Set a new password. Before changing your settings, use the Azure.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. By following these steps, you can easily change your login password on your Mint Mobile router, enhancing your network security. Remember to keep your new password in a safe place.